Today's subscription spot, we are having a look at the Lootcrate December 2015 box. You know it's going to be good when you got a box this size coming to us from the folks over at Lootcrate. Guaranteed there's going to be something really cool inside. If you are interested in having Lootcrate delivered to your house, cave, or North Pole Castle, you can click the link down below and subscribe today. Without further ado, Spot is extremely excited about getting this opened up. I want to see what we're going to get inside from Lootcrate. So without further ado, let's cut the tape just like that, and let's see what we got. First thing we are treated to, what is that? First thing we are treated to, before we do that, let's look at the t-shirt. Just trying to unravel it here. It's all stuck together. Oh, Spot was holding the bottom of it. There we go. We got like a kind of a ugly sweater, kind of pixelized game t-shirt. That's the best I can do to describe that. Very cool though. Especially wearing this during the holiday season. I don't have a lot of holiday themed t-shirts. I have a Silent Night, Deadly Night t-shirt. I love wearing that. I wear that all the time. And then the other thing we've got is this. And I'm just curious to see what this is. It's a little storage container. On the front it says United Nations Space Command. Warning: live ammunition, explosive materials. On the side, Halo 5 Guardians. It's almost similar to that Ghostbusters case that we had a look at. I don't suspect anything's inside, but let's find out anyway. Let's just double check. I'm gonna open this up. There. Oh, and there is more inside. Okay. Well, we got a Funko Pop vinyl figure of Han Solo. I'll just put that to the side just for a second. This is a Lootcrate exclusive Han Solo in snow gear vinyl bobblehead from Star Wars number 86. The back, other figures include Han Solo, Princess Leia, Admiral Akbar, Neen Noom, Sidon, Thano, and Varmic. Quite a collection of figures there. All coming to us from the folks over at Funko. I have to be honest, I think I would have been a little disappointed if the container had nothing inside, but pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna move the t-shirt just out of the way, and I'm gonna put this here. Close it up here. I'm gonna put that right there. A Galaxy Quest emblem patch. There, this document entitles or certifies this product replica of Galaxy Quest emblem patch was created by Quantum Mechanics Inc. under license from Paramount Pictures, exclusive for Lootcrate. I can sew that on my jacket. Not to say I would necessarily be accepted into the team, but I'll sew that onto my jacket. I can feel really important. Got ourselves some Star Wars BB-8 socks. A Lootcrate exclusive. From, it says Hype, New York City, hypenyc.com, is that correct? Hypnotic Hats Limited. BB-8 socks. We also got a Lootcrate December 2015 entitled Galaxy. And we got an Xbox One supply pack. What is this? Game item download from Xbox Store. Oh, that's for you. Merry Christmas. Well, Merry belated Christmas. That's from me to you, for whoever wants to use that. Got it? Get it? Good. We also are treated to a magazine, the Lootcrate magazine for December 2015. We have Loot Pets. It's still something I'd like to get. Loot Pets. Some of the people on the side that have opened up Lootcrate. Featured looters. One of these days. There's also Loot Anime. Lootcrate's Year in Review, 2015. Looters show off their favorite loot of 2015. See a lot of Pikachu hats. One lucky winner will get the Mega Crate. Ooh, look at that. 1/6 scale from Sideshow Collectibles. Wouldn't mind getting that. The large tech DOPP kit, a handmade genuine leather kit from This Is Ground. I would love to get my hands on that, though. Maybe not so much the tandem skydiving experience. I don't know about that. But the Shield game controller, Shield remote, and NVIDIA Shield Android TV with stand. I think I could be okay with that. An interview with Drew Weiss. Q&A with Chris Lee. And then we've got this month's loot. The exclusive Star Wars Han Solo vinyl bobblehead. Exclusive Ugly Holiday Sweater t-shirt. Authentic Galaxy Quest prop replica patch. An exclusive Star Wars BB-8 crew socks. And an exclusive Halo 5 ammo tin box featuring the Halo 5 Guardians Rec Pack, to which Spot has given to one lucky viewer. And of course, with Loot Crate, the boxes themselves, you can unopen them or unhinge them, fold them in on themselves. Once we get the first one in, I'll put the box back down. There we go. Here's one. Let's fold the other side in. There we go. Fold the flaps. Fold this over. Fold it down. Flip this over. Almost there. We're almost there. And fold that down. And this is the box that we made. Loot Cryo. At the top it says Loot Crate. Contents secure. Cryo storage initiated. Travel distance 9.34 BEM. Open with caution. That's a pretty cool way to wrap up this video as we put together the box and we got ourselves a Loot Cryo chamber. Once again, having a look at all the stuff that we got, well, we got ourselves a really cool tin, an exclusive Star Wars Han Solo Pop vinyl figure. I'll be looking forward to getting him opened up. And we've got the BB-8 socks, and of course, the pin and a t-shirt. Today we're having a look at the Loot Crate December 2015 box entitled Galaxy. Stay tuned, guys. Spot's going to have more subscription spots heading your way as we have a look at other items that can come to your house every single month. Thanks for watching. See you next time.